Hey WordPress developer, I'm going to show you how to solve the ZipArchive error of your theme. Actually, I was trying to install and import a demo of a premium theme from Theme Forest, and I can see this error in demo install section. So it's called ZipArchive is not installed in your server, but it's required if you need to import demo content. So we must need to enable this extension of PHP to demo the import the demo content. So how to do this? So how can we solve this error? So if you want to solve this error, first you have to access to your Cpanel, and I'm gonna show you this easy step. So first of all, you need to go to Cpanel account and find this step like select PHP version. So click on select PHP version. If you can find this, so you can search here select PHP version, then okay, click on this select PHP version, and you can see the PHP selector first. Okay, then you have to click on extension. You can see here lots of extensions, and you have to check this zip extension. So we need ZipArchive. So here is the zip. So then it's automatically saved. Then go back to your site and reload. Okay, the error is vanished now. So you can easily import the demo of your premium theme now easily. Thanks for watching my tutorial.